So we're going to make a sign for my daughter's room. Her name is Lindsay, and we're going to put a butterfly and make it Lindsay's room on the sign. First we create a folder for the project, just keep everything organized. I name it the same as the project name, Lindsay's room. We're going to open Inkscape for the text that we want to use, since Easel doesn't have a big selection of texts, or fonts I should say. So we're going to write the word that we want, in this case Lindsay's room. Pick the font, and then make sure we press Ctrl-Shift-C to make it into a path so Easel can read it. We're going to name the SVG, open Easel, import the SVG, resize it, and I use the combine function on the words to keep them in line and everything. As you can see, they're independent. Now we're going to go out and Google and look for a butterfly, just something simple. Here's the one I see. Save the image as. I name it butterfly into the same folder in case I want to use it again later. And we're going to import it using the image trace function. And you can use the smoothing or not smoothing. I haven't really seen a big difference. And we're going to use combine function on this as well. There's about 7 or 8 different parts to that butterfly. Then we want to resize it. I move it away from the X and Y axis. Then I move the words to where I want it to go. Change the height to 2 inches each. Same thing, 2 inches. Move the spacing around. I'm going to do this sign in 2 passes, one with the 1/32 inch bit and one with the 1/8 inch bit. I'm setting the depth to 0.05 inches. And as you can see, with the 1/8 inch bit, the butterfly will not be carved, but with the 1/32 inch bit it will. And I'm actually going to be using a V bit, a 30-degree V bit, so it'll be a little different, and you'll see that it was a mistake later on. So there we go. I'm making the Lindsay's room part to 0 so it won't carve that. And setting the bit to 1/32 inch. And confirming my home position, I've already set it. Tell it to raise the bit, turning the spindle on, and press carve. And there it is, carving. And go back into Easel. And it's done. Press OK. Yes, it completed successfully. Yay. Changing out the bit to the 1/8 inch bit. Straight bit. Back in Easel. Now we're going to make the butterfly 0 depth and the words 0.05 inches again. And when I changed the bit, I have to reconfirm my home position, since I don't think I got it completely accurate, but I made a mark on the board. So that's what I'm doing here, just reconfirming it, moving it to where I want it to be. Raising the bit, turn the spindle on, and press carve. One thing I wish Easel would do is better at what's carving what in what order. Tool pathing. Now I take it off the CNC, vacuum everything up a little bit. I really need a dust shoe. And we're going to finish it off. I've already done a little bit of sanding on it, and as you can see, I've routed the edges. We're going to paint all the stuff. Some people use tape. I don't really see a need. I have a bunch of test samples of paint everywhere, so I'm using those up. I didn't have a black, but I have a brown. So the butterfly's body is brown. And my daughter likes pink and purple, so it's a pink butterfly with purple words. And we're just, after it dries, sand off the top. Vacuum all the dust off. I'm going to finish it with a couple coats of spray lacquer. And there it is, all done. Thanks for watching.